Alright, so today I have another haul, and I'm just gonna unbox this stuff and see what I have. I mean, I know what I ordered, but like I don't know what came in, so I'm just gonna see what came in and be surprised. So I'm having a hard time opening it. Oh, so these are shorts that I ordered. Let's see what they are. So these are shorts, and they're kind of cute. They look really small. I don't know their tag. I don't see a tag. They look kind of small. This is the back. They're ruched in the back. And this is the front. I didn't know they were that small. And I didn't know they had a rouge. It's kind of weird. Okay. So, I got my second package here, and this one I'm going to try to open. Normally, the first one, the zipper got caught, so. Okay. So this is shoes. So that's the wrap. This is what they look like. I've had some like this before, but they were black. And I don't know where I got them from, but they didn't really fit that well. So I ordered these in white because of the season change. And I thought this would look cuter with all my outfits. So here they are. This is a swimsuit. And this is the top. It kind of looks real tiny. This is the top. And it has metal. It has metal in the back for the clasp. This is cute. This inserts. You can't remove these. Oh yeah, you can. So that's what that looks like. It just looks small because they have inserts in them. If you take the insert off, it'll fit you better and probably more proper. This is the bottom. So it has like a thick waistband. I mean, compared to the other bikinis, they have like a thick waistband. It's medium. And this is the back of it. It's just regular. I mean, it's kind of a slim cut, slimmer than most, but it's pretty much full coverage. It goes on. I guess it's high waist too, because it goes all the way up in the back too. And last but not least, I hope I'm not cutting nothing. Oh, an air freshener. I like these. This one's my favorite because it doesn't have a weird scent that like everybody notices. So I just put this wherever, like, I know some people put these wherever their pet are, like by the pet bed or wherever they are hanging out at. But I just put these wherever because there's not that many odor neutralizers, so that I can get. So I just buy these because they're cheap and they last a long time. Pretty much, this is how I open them. Take the whole thing off and just open it like that. You can see how much gel it has. It goes all the way to the bottom. And it's really strong, so I just keep it like this. And this top comes off too if you don't want that. This top. Somehow it pops off. I'm not sure if it's supposed to. Okay. But yeah. Like my video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and stay up to date on my channel. See you next time.